In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do a superhero landing just like this. I've been on a quest to make my very first superhero movie. It has been a challenge. I've been shooting this on my phone, no money, no budget, had to sell my house, and it's been extremely difficult. Just 1 year ago, I reached 40 subscribers. And today, I got just over 500, which is enough to make exactly $0. But it's all gonna be worth it, because I get to help people like you with tutorials like this one. So let's jump into it. Start by filming your guy jumping up and down. Then have him move out of the frame so you have an empty shot. Do this on a tripod if you wanna make your life easy. Go to Adobe Premiere Pro, look for your footage. We're just gonna move the empty shot right here. Boom. I like to start with just empty shot. Maybe we'll have him like fly over this building. That would be cool. Then I come over here where he jumped, and I'm just gonna bring like the whole thing over. And let's start right at the peak of the hop. You're gonna add a cut. Boom, boom. Now it looks like this. Boom. Already that's looking terrible. I feel like he's landing really slow for somebody that was flying through the air. So let's speed ramp this. I'm gonna drag this line up so high until I can see this little dot when I click on it. I'm going to right click on it, bring it down, show clip, keyframes, time remapping, speed, and when he hits the ground, that's when we're done being fast, and let's speed him up. Drag this line up, that's at 150% speed. I'm thinking 200%. Well, bam. Yeah, I like that. And then he should ramp it down. You can grab this blue thing and kind of twist it, and it gives it this cool little ramp. And now watch it. I like that. I'm going to duplicate this clip, drag it up, boom. On this one, I'm going to right click and add a frame hold. Now this one is just a static shot, and I don't know how many frames I want to go back. Maybe 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7-ish. Drag this guy over. Now what I want to do is draw a mask around my guy. So let's zoom in, nice and tight. Too tight, 100%. Yeah, that's plenty good. And let's come over here to Effect Controls. Click this mask tool. Boom. Start drawing a mask. It's like playing connect the dots around your body. Super simple. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm not perfect. And he's gonna be moving so fast, no one's gonna see the imperfections. A little trick about drawing masks is you just click every time you want to add a point, but if you click and then hold, you can add curves. So you click and hold the mouse click. That's how you get these handles. There we go. Now we have is a masked out version of our guy. Because if we go forward now, we got our guy, and then there's the real guy popping right behind him. Right click, nest it as a sequence, boom, bada bing. Okay, now we come over here for 2R effects, and we're looking for the transform effect. Plop that on there. Okay, I'm thinking that he's got to match the guy right there. That's a crucial point. So we go to where the 2 clips, where the new one starts and the old one should supposedly end. We're going to start right there, and I'm going to animate the position, the scale, the rotation, because why not? And we're going to deselect this. We're going to set it to 100. The higher that number, the more motion blur will be. That's where we want him to end up. But where is he before that? I'm thinking we go back 3 frames. 1, 2, 3. Move him straight up. Let's add a cut right where they join together. Cut the top frame. Now it looks like this. This guy's not moving fast enough, so we're going to increase his speed to 300%. And maybe he's too fast up here. Let's just slide that over. Do 1 more frame. Boom. Let's add a cut. And let's find him again on this one. Let's go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 frames. And let's find him. Just going to remove that keyframe. Start with a clean slate. Bring him back. And right here, we're going to shrink his size down. This is a little itty guy. And then move him to be like on top of this building. Does that sound dumb? It might be. He's over there on top of the building. And we're going to make him like go up. 1, 2, 3. Or make him up. That. So now, looks like this. I like it. He doesn't look like he's on the building. He looks like he's on the outside of the building. So I'm going to zoom in here. Close. Where is he? I'm lost. Where am I? Come on. There we are. We're going to draw a mask. Invert it. There. And you go. Boom. It's not bad. Now, we just add some ground bursts and some smoke assets. These are pretty simple to use. You just place them on top of your footage. You can adjust the exposure and color in Lumetri scopes until it matches the ground. You may need to do some masking around your feet until they look good with these assets. And then I just add an adjustment layer on top and animate the position and scale to add some camera zoom and shape. If you want to see an in-depth tutorial on any of these topics, like the assets I use, color grading, or camera shakes, let me know in the comments. And that's it.